Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic that is occurrence of metals. Occurrence of metal means metal occur in the form of ores on the earth crust, and which metal occur in which different kind of ores. So we are going to discuss this thing. So there is one table in which different metals are there, different ores are there, and different composition is there. Which metal is also present along with that metal, different other metal as an impurity is present along with that. So first is aluminium. Aluminium occur as a bauxite and clay. Second is iron. Iron occur in the earth crust as a hematite, magnetite, siderite, iron pyrite. In all these ores of iron, iron is present, but along with iron, oxygen is present, carbon is present, sulfide is present. So these are different ores of iron along with different elements. Third is copper. Copper on the earth crust occur as a copper pyrite, malachite, cuprite, copper glands. In each ore of copper, copper is present along with its sulfide, along with oxide, carbonate. So these are different compositions. Last is zinc. Zinc on the earth crust occur as a zinc blende, calamine, zincite. In each case, zinc is present along with its sulfide, along with carbonate, along with oxide. So these are the main metals and their ores that occur on the earth crust. In the next table, there is same that metals there with their important ores, and after that in a third row there is methods. By using that methods we can extract the main ore. And but now we are not going to discuss these methods because after some time the topics are coming. So in this table there are few methods like electrolysis is used for aluminium, reduction is used for iron, roasting is copper, and roasting after that followed by the reduction for zinc. So after that there are some major steps that we use to extraction of metal. First of all, there is ore concentration, means ore is present on earth crust along with its different sulfide, oxide. So first of all we have to concentrate it, purified it. How? By removing the unwanted impurities in the form of rocks. After that, second is reduction. Reduction means when the metal oxide to be reduced to metal. First we have to convert them into oxide, and oxide can be reduced to the crude metal. That is the second step. After that there is a third step, that is refining to obtain a pure metal. Means when we did the reduction, after reduction the final step is the unwanted metals, unwanted impurities are removed by a refining method. So different methods are used under these headings that will be discussed later on. So today this is your topic. You have to revise this topic. Along with this video I am sending one link to you. You have to go through that video and just revise the topic. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss the next topic. Thank you.